Hello and welcome to Dabur Amla Aloe Vera What Women Want on Filmy Mirchi. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं about gender equality at work. और मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना इस टॉपिक पर बात करने के लिए I invite not one but two men to share their views on women being given equal rights. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the international actor Anil Kapoor and the very versatile director Anurag Kashyap. What's up, guys? How come now dono ek saath? Weren't you guys fighting or something? That's what I saw.
We are like at a make-believe war.
So I want to start by acknowledging कि women के लिए scene काफी बदल रहा है, as you know, in our industry. So I want to know individually what you all both think about that.
My approach towards and I always feel women are superior, and I've always treated women as superior. And I've never, I said they take their own decisions. Sunita takes her own decision. Sonam takes her own decision. So Sonam being an AK versus AK also is her decision.
But what about Rhea? Did she agree?
Rhea also said no. She said,
also,
y'all can't afford me. No, but Rhea also has a lot of, obviously she shares her, experience professionally. When she has to cast, there are times when girls want to do films which are girl-centric or lady-centric or women-centric, but they want to say it. But kahin na kahin, aaj bhi young girls sometimes, they are so influenced that they would still want to do with successful heroes.
Successful, big stars.
उनको they feel more safe. तो she says यार इन लोग बातें करते हैं प्रेस में कि हमको ये करना है वो करना है, पर कहीं ना कहीं जाके डर जाते हैं. बोले यार we'll be able to do it. They still want to play safe. So there's that side of the girls also, which has to also be in, we have to push them and tell them in the industry, yaar, डरो मत यार, करो.
Yeah. No, but Anil ji, Hollywood में कुछ male actors ने काम करने से मना किया है जब तक उनकी female co-star का equal salary न मिले. So what do you think about that? Should our actors also be, kind of putting their foot down today?
You took a lot of money from me.
See, we are all breaking barriers. We are all doing that. But like you said, there are still some people. So
यार ये तो हीरो से ज़्यादा पैसे मांग रही है. मतलब दे दो. So they all called me up also. I said done. So they were calling when the negotiations going on. I said done. Bebo jo मांगे दे दो.
For me, more than actors, I think it has to go from ground level up also.
Yeah.
I'm saying cinematographers, sound people, everything.
Script writers,
Script writers. There's so many incredible women voices coming in terms of script and filmmaking. So it has to go from ground level up.
Yeah, it has to start at the bottom. But Anurag, coming to the film industry, कितना बदलाव आया है when it comes to women being in the forefront? Whether it's DOPs, directors, we have so many female directors.
I think the very fact, 2020 being one of the worst years, if you just look at it, the countries that have done their best are the countries led by women.
Yeah, exactly.
And वो बहुत सही है अभी जो इस साल I was reading somebody's story on Instagram. I said ये 5 साल ना दुनिया जो है औरतों के हाथ में दे के देखो सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
I completely back you up. But coming to your film, Anil ji, कैसा रहा है अपनी बेटी और बेटे के साथ एक साथ काम करना? Was there any family drama or was it quite?
देखिए मैं सबसे पहले तो I want to use this platform to thank them. I want to thank Vikram also to how he has been able to convince them. And मैं उनकी जगह तो मैं तो नहीं करता. To be honest with you, I would say यार cameo मेरे पूरी फिल्म मेरे पे होनी चाहिए यार.
You have to do this for them also. One cameo for Sonam and one for Harsh.
मैं सोचूंगा.
But in all fields, women feel insecurity, about their professional growth after they have children. In our Dabur Amla Aloe Vera Want It All moment, Anurag, tell me what you think needs to happen so that actresses get it all professionally.
हमारा एक collective perception पहले हम लोग को change करना पड़ेगा. ये बहुत पुराना mindset, ever since I came into the industry, कि once a woman has become a mother, अब वो heroine नहीं है, वो माँ का role करेगी. I'm saying from a younger age, women playing mother roles to a hero who are older than them. I'm saying the day we become comfortable playing our age and being ourselves, तो टेंशन नहीं, then it doesn't matter. वो हमारे यहाँ वो एक्टर्स के बारे में भी नहीं और वो भी नहीं, उसकी वजह से हम लोग के constant pressure है.
Of looking good maybe or
looking good. I'm saying it comes from within. His love for himself, self-love, which 20 years ago I used to be like यार कैसे इनके सामने मैं नरेशन कर रहा हूँ, ये अपने आप को मिरर में ऐसे देखते हैं और अपने आप को ही ऐसे कर रहे हैं. कर देगा, Anil तू कर देगा. And I used to be like that. And today I look at him and I'm like, boss, that self love has translated to this.
I think that's Anilji's best thing is that he's only bothered about himself, which I think is the best way to be. I have to look good. I have to be amazing. I think that's what we all have learned
That's
from
not
him.
true. The best films, all the leading ladies have done their best film with me.
No, that, yeah.
You have
We've looked
to.
amazing.
चाहे वो
Yeah, but that is
माधुरी, चाहे
true.
वो माधुरी हो, चाहे वो ऐश्वर्या हो, चाहे वो श्रीजी हो, चाहे वो काजल हो, you see those films, they are phenomenal in the film.
But
And
you
if
have
you-
actually been one of those actors who have actually played men roles opposite stronger women characters.
Absolutely. Matter of
Yeah,
fact,
that is true.
That's one of the
Isn't
reasons.
that
true.
with Kajol, with Aishwarya?
Yeah.
From Beta, Ishwar, I don't know from when on.
Judai.
Judai, yeah.
जुदाई में तो the wife wants to sell me. You understand? वहाँ चल रहा है, negotiation चल रही है. दोनों मेरे बारे में, you know.
You were an object in that film.
And there are so many films where the leading actress has taken more money. And मैंने खुशी किया. तो कभी भी कोई आपको ऐसा स्क्रिप्ट मिले या कोई ऐसी फिल्म हो, कोई आपको there's any lady or any girl who you feel, please send them to Ria or to me or to or to Anurag, and they're always welcome with you know, and you know, we are ready to make the film and do whatever we can.
Yes. अगर ट्रेडिशनली देखा जाए तो women इसलिए men के equals नहीं है because घर संभालना was always their job. But since that is changing, Anil ji, I want to know कि आप kitchen में कितना वक्त बिताते हो? Like cooking and helping around.
The Rasoi Se Rishton Tak moment brought to you by Tirupati Edible Oils.
Before I got married, and कहीं ना कहीं मैंने अपनी शादी को इसलिए डिले किया क्योंकि सुनीता का पहला कंडीशन था कि मैं किचन में नहीं जाऊंगी. तो जिस दिन मुझे पता चला कि you know I can have those kind of helps to run the kitchen, that's the time I went and proposed to her. I said now I have that capacity, so kitchen में ना सुनीता जाती है ना मैं जाता हूँ. So that's the answer. So ना सुनीता
That's
आज
the
तक
best
कभी
way.
किचन में गई है ना मैं आज तक किचन में गया हूँ.
मैं तो बहुत जाता हूँ.
But Ria बहुत kitchen में जाती है.
Ria is a revelation. Absolutely, she
Yeah.
is one of the best chefs, the best you know, cooks, and she loves being in the kitchen. So whenever she wants to de-stress herself, she loves cooking. She loves feeding. She sends food to all her friends, and
I
because
know.
of her now, all the best chefs from India are sending her food, and that food I am getting, and her friends are getting.
Anurag, there are pros and cons to having an OTT platform release. So what is your breathe easy solution when you get stressed about the film's success that, you know, theaters are not open now, most films are releasing on a digital platform. So what are your views on that?
I am very happy about, say, OTT platforms and things because coming from a very selfish perspective, it has not just made my life easier and simpler because most of my audience as it is used to download the torrents and watch the film at home or wait by the time cinema में से film चली जाती थी. And the pressure is so much because less number of theaters in India, or the film is not performing first 3 days. So the pressure of an opening is off my head. And there are movies I would like to watch only in cinemas, and there are movies that I would refuse to watch it on a smaller screen.
And now to conclude, I want to know if there's a woman who is being suppressed at work, what should be the first move she makes to resolve this?
Babology, empowered by Bumble.
I think needs to voice it and everybody needs to hear it. I'm saying हम लोग voice ही suppress कर देते हैं because our nature isn't coming from UP. I've seen that happen a lot.
Right.
The condition to say that you're not supposed to have a problem, deal with it.
That's what you're conditioned to do.
That's what you're conditioned to do. But it's very important to speak up. It's very important to express everything. It doesn't matter what it is.
So Anil ji, before we say goodbye, what would you like to say about the movie and why we should watch it, and you know how it's been so special to you?
I feel you know, anything you watch has to be watchable. It has to be entertaining. It has to make you think. And I think this film has got all these things. You know, it'll stay with you. It'll entertain you. It is completely something which you have never seen. I think that's the reason they should watch it. You know, it's absolutely,
It's really a blast. It's first of its kind.
It's first of its kind. But thank you so much, Anurag and Anil ji, for coming on my special show. I've always wanted to have people who've been so open to voice their opinion, and no one better than Anurag to do that. And Anil ji, the show's incomplete without you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
so much.
thank you, Karina. Thank you so much. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
अरे अभी रिया का मैसेज आया. I better message her now.